Stanza. It's the way that the poem is broken up into pieces, the arrangement of a poem's lines, similar to the way that we group sentences together to make paragraphs when we're writing or when you're reading a novel. But in poetry, it's much different. A stanza must contain at least 2 lines. They're usually consistent with meter and rhyme, though not always the case. It's a really easy way for us to pace the poem. It breaks up the poem by area of interest, by movement, by action, and we have very specific names designated for certain stanza lengths. For example, a couplet, called 2-line stanza, is because it's coupling 2 lines. A tercet is a 3-line stanza, and a quatrain is a 4-line stanza. Quintain, a 5-line stanza. A couplet, tercet, quatrain, and quintain are the most popular forms of stanzas that you'll find. In fact, the quatrain is the most popular, aside from the couplet. A sestet, 6-line stanza, a septet, 7-line stanza, an octave, 8-line stanza. Of those, the most popular is an octave. In the Robert Frost poem that I read earlier, the stanzas were broken up into quatrains. If you go back and review that poem, you'll notice that each stanza is broken up into 4 lines. Therefore, each stanza is a quatrain. You'll have to do this when you look at the exam, when given an excerpt of a poem. Remember to memorize those very specific names for stanza divisions, because it will be important for you to identify correctly the stanzas on the exam.